Before working with Charmaine, I was struggling finding the clothes that fit my body type and also my personality. And especially because I'm working with clients, I'm self-employed, there was always the problem to find the right wardrobe for a client meeting. And Charmaine really helped me sort out my wardrobe so that I now have the clothes that fit my brand personality and my business and my body type. And what's even more, Charmaine's services go beyond your wardrobe and styling for success. She is very knowledgeable at giving you communications training and helping you being confident and having the right things to say at networking events, putting together powerful presentations, and on top of that, having etiquette training that helps you, doing the right things at maybe a dinner with your clients or at a business meeting. So I can highly recommend Charmaine's services if you're looking to enhance your image in terms of your wardrobe, your communications, and your etiquette. It's a 3-part package that I can highly recommend, and it will get you way on your way to success.